No, I'm never confident when I'm facing the camera. In the sense that even this one now that's there in front of me, it intimidates me. सच पूछिए तो ना तो मुझे गवर्नमेंट से कभी कोई अवार्ड मिला है ना कोई डिस्टिंक्शन वैसे काम के लिए मिला कि एक्टिंग है, तो मैंने समझा कि दे हैव रिटन मी ऑफ। नहीं, ये ज़रूरी नहीं, ये बात मैं इससे एग्री नहीं करता कि सब ने मेरा स्टाइल कॉपी किया और मैंने किसका स्टाइल कॉपी किया मालूम नहीं, मैं तो किसी का कॉपी कर नहीं सका।
दिलीप साहब, आपको ये फाल्के अवार्ड मिलने पर दर्शकों की ओर से और लहरें की तरफ से बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ।
जीती रहिए, शुक्रिया आपका भी और दर्शकों का भी। आई एम मच फ्लैटर्ड।
अच्छा दिलीप साहब, आपका इमीडिएट रिएक्शन क्या थी जब आपको ये न्यूज़ पहुंची? एंड व्हेन डिड यू गेट द न्यूज़?
रिएक्शन, यू सी, आई हैव डल विट्स, सो आई रिएक्टेड स्लोली। मैंने कहा अच्छा अवार्ड मिल गया। मुझे तो कोई स्टेट का अवार्ड आज तक नहीं मिला, तो ये दादा फाल्के का अवार्ड मिल गया तो मुझे उनके नाम की अज़मत और ये ख्याल कि हुकूमत ने इस फैगन पे मुझको ये रिकग्निशन दिया है, सो आई फील टच्ड। But then I found the phones and then the people and all these that you see around me. And the generous compliments from the press. It suddenly gave me a very warm sensation inside me. And I was really began to think that I am a fortunate man. And you have a feeling that whatever you've been doing, after all, it was worthwhile and there is some credibility to it. And that's a very rewarding feeling. That's what I feel.
और किस वक्त मिली आपको ये न्यूज़? जैसे है ना,
मैं वॉक करके आ रहा था तो इधर नीचे उन्होंने कहा, माय वाइफ ब्रोक द न्यूज़ टू मी स्लोली, तुम्हें अवार्ड मिले तो कैसा रहेगा? मैंने कहा कि अवार्ड कहने हाँ कैसा रहेगा? मैंने कहा ठीक रहेगा। कहने कि तुमको ये अवार्ड मिला है, तो मैंने कहा अच्छा है मिला है तो। Then some more information came, then the telephone rang and I was taken by surprise because I didn't expect it. And suddenly, I mean, over the last 2 days, the impact of this little event, which came up in such a low-key manner, as snowballed and fills me with a sense of very deep warmth and gratitude, I should say. Yes, gratitude towards the generous write-ups and the warmth of the people from all over the country. I never received so many telegrams before, and it seems as if it's a national event.
इससे ज़्यादा खुश कौन है, आप है कि आपकी बेबी सायरा जी?
वो जल्दी खुश हो जाती और she is more excited. I was coming down and she said, no, you must put some makeup on और ये करो वो करो, तो it's better to give in and do the makeup. I did it, but I don't like my face in the camera.
शुरुआत से, पहले
शुरू
से?
से I seldom liked it. But anyway, I think that's the way most of the people feel.
फिर आप एक्टर बनना कैसे, you know, how did you think of becoming an actor? कैसे?
I never
didn't like
thought I will become an actor. No, I never thought I could become an actor. And I didn't go to Bombay Talkies to seek a job as such. Of course, I had the natural deportment of a family, so I could speak properly, good English and good Urdu. And that kind lady, Mrs. Devika Rani Rai at that time, she thought that, and the other members who were sitting there thought that I could be a good material for trying out. So I confessed to them that I don't think that I am the right kind of material. And they asked me if I had ever acted in a play. I confessed I have not, and I hadn't seen many films. Of course, I used to see good Western films. The school used to take us all. And so if Dilip Kumar can become an actor, I think anybody can become an actor. All that you need to do is to apply yourself and work hard. Anyway, God has been very kind to me, and I'm grateful to Him for bringing me where I am, and I think I largely owe it to Him. And if there is anything that is to be attributed to me, then it's for not doing the wrong things. As far as acting is concerned, made so many mistakes in life, everybody makes it. But it's been a fairly long innings now.
आप कभी सोचे थे इतना लॉन्ग इनिंग्स रन की?
नहीं सोचा, कभी नहीं सोचा.
तो इसके लिए कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी.
No, then you see, it's all providence, it's all nature. There are so many other people whom I asked whether they ever would become a minister or a sportsman who's achieved the zenith of distinction. So they said we never knew that we would be. I don't think Narasimha Rao ever thought, Mr. Narasimha Rao, that he will be the Prime Minister. But things happen, there is this unmistakable hand of destiny, that while I talk or while I act, and while this moment is passing through, time is fleeting across, as we are talking to each other, and we cannot stop this time. And I'm talking to you, I can see your face, I can look at these flowers and say, yeah, this is a flower, I can see the sunlight, and all this has been gifted to us, the voice, the words. Inside there is a huge machinery going on, and Yusuf Khan becomes Dilip Kumar and starts acting in films. So I'm a great believer in destiny and very, very inscrutable ways, the way it acts.
तो 25 साल पहले जब ये अवार्ड की शुरुआत हुई थी, आपने कभी सोचा नहीं होगा ना कि आपको ये अवार्ड आप तक पहुंचेगी?
सच पूछिए तो ना तो मुझे गवर्नमेंट से कभी कोई अवार्ड मिला है, ना कोई डिस्टिंक्शन वैसे काम के लिए मिला कि एक्टिंग है. तो मैंने समझा कि दे हैव रिटन मी ऑफ, कि और मेरी तवक्को भी नहीं थी, उम्मीद भी नहीं थी. It wasn't such a big disappointment because the actual in this phenomena the main point is the warmth and appreciation of the people, which comes to you so radiantly and unmistakably in the eyes of the people or in the way they greet you or they talk to you. And it's not just fame. I think fame can be injurious, fame can be good, fame can be just sheer infamy is a fame of a sort. But the credibility that goes with it and the affection and respect of people, that I think I am very, very lucky.
जब आपको ये अवार्ड कोई डिस्टिंक्शन गवर्नमेंट ने नहीं दी तो आप कुछ कमी महसूस करते थे? I mean, in your
ऐसा नहीं था. ऐसा नहीं था, मैं समझता था कमी उन्हीं में है, ऐसा लगता है. बिकॉज यू वर्क हार्ड एंड देन एज यू ग्रो अप यू बिगिन टू मीट evaluate things, and in that line of evaluation it's not important, not so important. Now that I have got it, I feel that I have got the recognition of the authorities. It's delayed in a sense, in time, but that's not the important thing. The important thing is that they thought it fit to give it to me in their own wisdom and in their own evaluation. So I feel that that's nice of them, very kind of them. The way it has sort of spiraled, this whole award, and the reaction of the people and the warmth and all those sweet things that they are saying makes me feel indebted to the government itself for putting this beautiful तोहफा इसको कहेंगे, it's a gift. So I am grateful to them too.
दरअसल आपको एक इंस्टीट्यूशन कहा जाता है, इंस्टीट्यूशन कहते हैं. हाउ डू यू फील विद दिस लेबल?
कुछ इंस्टीट्यूशन वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है. आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट a man's mind and the way he responds to the requirements or the situation कि ये ऐसा काम करना है, अब इसमें आप मुग़ल आज़म बन जाइए, तो ऐसे ही ऐंठ जाता है बदन कि ले जाओ ये दफ्तर बेमानी, यहाँ कोई अकबर आज़म का वली है नहीं. And become formal in your delivery, articulate and mince your words. और ये गांव का है तो अपनी पर्सनैलिटी को चेंज करना पड़ता है. गांव का है तो रस्टिक और रगेड हो जाता है, और शहर का है ह्यूमरस है तो उसके अलग अलग ढंग हैं. हर कोई आर्टिस्ट जितने हैं बड़े लायक हैं सब, बहुत से, और सब अपनी अपनी वजह से काम करते हैं. मैं अपने ढंग से करता रहा हूँ. बट आई थिंक दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन बिजनेस इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ए मिसनोमर.
सबके आइडियल आप हैं. आपके आइडियल कौन थे जब आप शुरू में आए थे?
मेरे आइडियल सब हैं.
नहीं, पहले जब आप पहले आए थे इंडस्ट्री में.
व्हेन आई केम इनटू द इंडस्ट्री, पहले तो पिक्चर ही नहीं देखे थे ज़्यादा. फिर जब देखे तो मुझे मोतीलाल साहब बहुत पसंद आए, अशोक भैया बहुत पसंद आए, बड़े अच्छे आर्टिस्ट एंड फाइन मैन. यू सो मच टू देम, एंड दैट्स अ वेरी प्रेशियस फेज when you come across people and learn from them. I respected them, but ऐसा कोई मेरा आइडियल नहीं था. मैं फिक्स भी नहीं कर पाया था. I started seeing pictures. I would go and see a picture on 3:30, 6:30 and 9:30 shows. But I would not see different films. If I liked the picture, then I would see the same picture for 3:30, 6:30, 9:30, the next day again for 3:30. For Whom the Bell Tolls was a film I saw for 7 days, all the 3 shows. Because I came the last week. It ran for a long time. I was out of Bombay. When I came here, I saw it. I liked it so much that I saw it. 7 days, all the 3:30, 6:30, 9:30 shows.
अच्छा,
Great. You should see it. Have you seen it?
No, I haven't.
You should see the film.
अच्छा,
Ingrid Bergman and her performance.
This is your favorite
Oh
actress?
yes.
कौन है आपके फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस?
नहीं, ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा.
अच्छा दिलीप सर, आपकी फर्स्ट फिल्म के बारे में कुछ रोशनी डालिए और फ्लैशबैक. हाउ वाज इट लाइक? कैसा था जब
First film, first day.
हाँ.
I was an athlete, used to play a lot of soccer, and I was an outside right in the hockey team, and a good bowler in cricket. Sort of a batting was so-so. तो उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि तो मैं बड़ा घबरा रहा था कि अब पहले दिन कैमरे के सामने, तो उन्होंने कहा कि आप भागिए यहाँ से वहाँ तक, दौड़ के जाइए. तो मैंने कहा जी किस लिए भाग रहे? तो उन्होंने कहा कि हीरोइन जो है आपको पता चला है कि शी इज़ गॉन एंड शी मे पॉसिबली कमिट सुसाइड, तो तुम दौड़ के उसको बचाओ, तेज़ दौड़ना होगा. तो मैंने कहाँ से कहाँ, वहाँ से शुरू करो, वहाँ से वहाँ तक तुमको एंड करना होगा. तो मैं दौड़ा एकदम से. आई डिड ए रियल गुड 100 मीटर डैश, यू सी. तो वैसे आके निकल गया उनके सामने से. उन्होंने कहा कट, क्या हुआ? मैंने तो कहने लगे भाई तुम तो बहुत फास्ट भागे हो, तुम आहिस्ता भागो, यू आर टू फास्ट, द कैमरा फाइंड्स इट डिफिकल्ट टू। अरे तो मैं फिर ज़रा स्लोअर भागा, तो कहती कि नहीं अभी भी फास्ट है। तो आई थॉट आई एम टू गुड फॉर द कैमरा, दे कांट कैच मी। तो मैं दिल में सोच रहा हूँ कि क्या हीरोइन को बचाने के सीन में आहिस्ता आहिस्ता भागेगा आदमी, क्या करेगा। But they wanted me to run a little slowly, so I ran a little slowly, and I came with this feeling that I ended the day with this feeling that oh, I'm damn good. And at the fag end of the run, the next day, again I had to run from here or there, and at the fag end of it, I had to come and catch the Havana, पकड़ लेना उसको। तो मैंने दौड़ते दौड़ते उसके पास आऊँ और यहाँ तक मेरे हाथ जाए, लेकिन उसको बदन को, बाजुओं को पकड़ लेने, वहाँ झिझक आ जाती। फिर दौड़ूँ दौड़ूँ अपने बराबर से पकड़ो, मैंने कहा जी अच्छा अच्छा पकड़ता हूँ। फिर दौड़ता 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 फिर उसको पकड़ो, यहीं हाथ रह जाए, हाथ यहीं रह जाए। दिस हैपन 3 or 4 times एंड आई फेल्ट वेरी ह्यूमिलिएटेड कि लड़की ही तो है, इसको पकड़ना, और वो भी मेरा मजाक, अरे क्या है तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तुमसे पकड़ा नहीं जाता, उससे पकड़ लो उसको बस। फिर मैं गया दौड़ते दौड़ते आके मैंने उसको पकड़ लिया, और कोई डायलॉग बोलना था वो भी बोल दिया, और जब उसको छोड़ा तो बोलती ओ इतना ज़ोर से पकड़ लिया आपने। तो मैंने कहा आप सभी तो कह रहे थे बचाना है, बट व्हेन आई केम बैक आई फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई रियलाइज्ड ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल काम है, इसमें तो बहुत कुछ सीखना पड़ेगा। एक लड़की को पकड़ने में हमने इतनी मुसीबत होती है। योर माइंड नोज व्हाट टू डू, इट कैन विजुअलाइज दैट यू शुड डू दिस एंड यू शुड लुक लाइक दिस एंड यहाँ आके रुक जाओ, लेकिन वो सब सेंसेस का कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं होता। सो दैट्स द फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस, टफ एंड रादर I suffered some kind of a feeling of humiliation inside. That's the first experience. And then you grow up and learn.
आप हमेशा नर्वस होते थे जब आप कैमरा के सामने आते थे, या ऑलवेज कॉन्फिडेंट?
No, I'm never confident when I'm facing the camera. In the sense that even this one now that's there in front of me, it intimidates me. There's the dark eye in the camera that is looking. And so you feel that this abominable, you feel as if it's something, some individual, it's something alive that's watching me from there.
देखो साहब, आपकी किसके साथ ट्यूनिंग अच्छी रहती थी? I mean the director, actor, throughout
With
your
most of the people that I worked with, I had very good, cordial and easy relations, because that's the way you work along. If you carry a chip on your shoulder, then leave aside other people being happy or not. You yourself cannot enjoy the work. So you've got to be easy with all colleagues, not only the senior stars and the director, but also with the lighting men. अब ये खड़े हुए हैं, मेरी तरफ देख भी नहीं रहे हैं, लेकिन I should be easy with them, make them feel at ease. I should make you feel at ease.
Which you are.
Huh?
Which you are.
अच्छा, thank you. हाँ? अच्छा?
आगे देखो आगे बंद करो दिव्या
चलो।
दिलीप साहब, आपके फ्रेंड कौन थे? फर्स्ट फ्रेंड यू मेट इन द इंडस्ट्री कौन थे?
My first friend was, you see, in my college days, I and Raj, we come from the same town. He was born in Peshawar, I was born in Peshawar, and our families knew each other. So as I stepped on to the studio for the first time along with Dr. Masani, I came across Raj. And he was the one who always used to say, when we used to play games, he say, soccer, he was a good goalkeeper and a very good referee, very good referee. Particularly when he used to play the British Army teams at that time. he could assert himself in little boy. He was quite nice and buxom. So, when I saw him, he used to tell me, "You get into film. We will both go to films." So I said, "No," because that was not the done thing during those days to aspire to go into films. मैंने कहा तुम जाना, तुम्हारे अब्बा भी वही काम करते, तुम भी वही करना. तो वो मुझे पहले मिला. Is the camera running or we just talking to each other?
it's running.
Are you running the camera?
Yes.
Huh?
See, so it's on, sir.
On?
Yes.
Acha, acha. So I can carry on with
Yeah.
the story. So he was the first man that he met me there. And he said, "Say, I told you you will come to this place." But I didn't come for an interview for work. It was for some other purpose. I was just accompanying Dr. Masani. So that's the man that was before the films. And as I entered, he was there at the doorstep virtually waiting. And we had a lovely relationship, beautiful relationship. I'm sorry he's no more, but I'm happy that I have joined his ranks now. I've got this award.
कभी राइवलरी नहीं आई आपके बीच में?
नहीं.
कभी नहीं.
No. Healthy, yes, healthy competitive feeling was there. But rivalry, nahi. So many people would try to create some kind of a, axis. But we had meditated in ourselves, between ourselves, that look, there are the two of us and this industry is big enough. There can be more. So let us not be carried away. So no, at no point of time, although people insinuate a lot of things.
तो आपने मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स क्लियर करते गए थे या हाउ वाज इट?
मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होती ही नहीं थी.
नहीं.
अगर कोई कह भी देना कि राज ने ऐसा कहा था या कुछ कहता, तो उसको ये फील होता था कि मैंने नहीं कहा होगा. मुझे भी ये फील होता था कि वो कहेगा नहीं, और अगर कहा भी होगा तो ऐसे ही कह दिया होगा. They wouldn't mean it.
और फेवरेट हीरोइन कौन थी, को स्टार कौन थी आपकी जिससे ट्यूनिंग?
सारी ही फेवरेट्स थी जितनी थी, जो अच्छी तरह से इजीली काम करती थी साथ में. So they were all good. It will be unfair to single them out because then the other one will feel hurt कि देखो उसका नाम लिया, मेरा नहीं लिया. Most of these artists are because those who are fond of working and doing, giving good performances, they're always happy to be working with an equally diligent and hard-working colleague. So it was always a great pleasure to be. Some of them were very talented. Some of them have got reservations and certain hang-ups, so you got to endure that.
आपकी फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन अबाउट सायरा जी कैसे थी?
फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन अबाउट सायरा जी था कि बहुत छोटी थी, तो मैं इनको फिल्मों से आने से बहुत पहले का जानता हूँ. She was a little girl when she came. मुग़ल आज़म के शुरू में आई थी, तो मैंने मधुबाला से मिलाया था और ऐसे उठा के उसको स्टूल पे बिठा दिया था. तो दिस शुरू में आपने पूछा तो शुरू में ऐसे था. When she wanted to join the films, I was opposed to it कि लड़कियाँ फिल्म में क्या करेंगी, इनको तालीम याफ्ता. She's gone in England and studied there, and now it's time that she should get married to a nice person, and why the films? But then she was hell-bent to get into the films. And the rest of the story is better told by her than by me.
एज एन एक्ट्रेस कैसी लगी आपको?
She was diligent, very ambitious. And in the school of work, you see, she had not worked in the school, which was very exacting and tough and hard. दूसरी जगह तो हंसी खेल करके भी काम होता है ना. And she was used to that light atmosphere in which good spontaneous work comes out. But here there was a little too much of seriousness and with Dilip Kumar and very great labor of rehearsals and this and that. So in the beginning she felt uneasy. But then she revealed more. I think if you see Sagina and her performance in Sagina and even in Bairag, I think she's given beautiful performances. A great promise she showed.
ऐसा बीवी कैसे थे?
हाँ
कि
जी?
as a बीवी, the role of a wife, how does she perform?
She's extremely diligent, very affectionate, caring, takes care of all the details. She's come to do this over the years and most helpful in all respects. I think she's a very good wife. I'm lucky that way.
दिलीप साहब, आप एज अ पर्सन कैसे हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, लाइक यू नो योर प्लस एंड माइनस पॉइंट्स?
It will be difficult for me to answer this. You see, I am what I am. How do I look to you? I don't
No, I
know.
mean,
But this is what I am. And in maybe another situation, I'll be totally different. I'll get serious. I'll become grim. But I don't want to be too morbid. Already I have played in too many tragedies and I got a little tired of dying in each film and going through sad scenes and sad songs. It's all right in front of the camera. But in one's personal life, I would like to be a little more easy, relaxed, and enjoy life.
आप कौन से रोल्स परफॉर्म करने में बहुत इजी महसूस करते थे?
सभी रोल डिफिकल्ट होते हैं, कैसे ही हो, कोई कॉमेडी हो या ट्रेजेडी हो. सी दी हैबिट दैट आई शुरू में मैं समझता हूँ ये एक अंडरटेकिंग है. दिस इज एन ऑब्लिगेशन एंड यू गॉट टू वर्क हार्ड इन इट. सो बट वंस आई एम ऑन द फ्लोर देन I am relaxed. I get relaxed. Like you maybe tense before a game or a match, but once you are in there, then you relax and you take off easily.
What about dancing? Did it have any?
No, I was never good at dancing. I tried it. It didn't work out. It didn't work out because firstly could not dance, so I did not like dancing. But when the girls dance, oh, they look very lovely when they dance. But boys that like Govinda these days and some of his colleagues, when they dance, I am surprised at their agility. And most of the young people, they dance so beautifully. And I marvel at the girls.
Who's your favorite?
Sridevi. Sridevi is my wife's favorite too. I think she's a very fine artist also. But the same goes for Madhuri Dixit now. She's not only a good dancer, but they are both very fine performers.
दिलीप साहब, आपकी कोई कमजोरी थी जो आप बड़ी खूबी से कवर करते थे जो एक्टिंग में?
अब अगर वो कमज़ोरी हमने खूबी से कवर कर लिए तो अब इस कमज़ोरी को क्यों जाहिर करें?
No, but that is
अब
an
क्या
art.
फायदा है?
That is an art, isn't it? Which
तो
the
पता नहीं सभी कमज़ोरियाँ थी. I found it very difficult. But then that you see, the more difficult you feel the job is, the greater the resolution to do it well and do it as accurately as you want to do. You may never be able to do as accurately or perform as accurately as you want to. I think we've had a long interview now.
no, one minute. I said दिलीप साहब, आपकी एक रोल जो you have wanted to do but you didn't get it, कोई है ऐसा रोल?
Many roles.
For
I wanted to do a
instance?
school teacher's role, like Mr. Chips in Goodbye, Mr. Chips. That kind of a role. And I wanted to do a lawyer's role and carry on a marathon classic cross-examination.
आप कभी नहीं
नहीं,
किया?
मुझे मौका नहीं मिला. And another thought, doing a class Godfather, These are just fancies.
एंड एक कोई ब्लीक पीरियड जो आपके करियर में आया था, जो हाउ डिड यू ओवरकम इट, रिसर्फेस कैसे किए?
No, there are often stretches when I had no work. I mean, Dilip Kumar was there, very much there. But I didn't, there were times and spells when you don't get it's not a question of getting a good script sometimes. It's often a question of getting which is less bad. And then try to mend it or fit yourself into that. So when I didn't get that, I didn't take on anything. People used to criticize me and said that even Mehboob Saab and Mr. Asif and Bimalda would feel that it's not very wise. For months together, no work. So I would go and travel, go drive into the mountains far up north in the Himalayas.
हाँ दिलीप साहब, आप सभी एक्टर्स ने आपके स्टाइल कॉपी की है, आपने किसी एक्टर का स्टाइल कॉपी किया है?
नहीं, ये ज़रूरी नहीं, ये बात मैं इससे एग्री नहीं करता कि सब ने मेरा स्टाइल कॉपी किया। और मैंने किसका स्टाइल कॉपी किया मालूम नहीं, मैं तो किसी का कॉपी कर नहीं सका। If I could have, then I would have liked to work maybe as Spencer Tracy or Paul Muni or James Stewart, but I never got anything, no material in which I could even make the effort. So it was better to stick to yourself and do whatever you get, जो भी रोल मिले उससे कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि भाई उसकी उस पर्सनैलिटी के करीब जाना चाहिए। अब उसकी क्या इनर केमिस्ट्री है पर्सनैलिटी की, ही मे बी एन इंट्रोवर्ट लाइक देवदास, और ही मे बी ए रस्टिक गांव का आदमी होगा जिसमें एक अबैंडन है, एक डायरेक्टनेस है, एक वर्व है, वाइटैलिटी है फॉर लाइफ। और इफ ही इज लाइक सलीम इन मुगल आजम, बिल्कुल बंधा हुआ आदमी एकदम, और जुमले भी बंधे हुए, ले जाओ ये दफ्तर बेमानी, यहाँ कोई अब्बर आजम का वली है नहीं, उसमें डिलिबरेटनेस, एक फॉर्मेलिटी है। देन देर आर कॉमेडी सीन्स, कोहिनूर हो या राम और शाम हो, उसमें अलग तरह के सीन्स होते हैं, अलग तरह से करना पड़ता है। So, but this variety is the essence of it signifies the competence. When you go outside the orbit of your own personality, और उससे बाहर जाके एक दूसरी पर्सनैलिटी को एक्वायर करें, एंड देन उसको सिर्फ एक्वायर ही ना करें, उसको शुरू से आखिर तक ले जाएं, उसके एंड तक। तो I think that's the true test. There are some very great actors like Cary Grant, for instance, or Bob Hope, for instance, or even to an extent the famous actor who looked like Devanand, Gregory Peck. So they're mostly projecting their own personality. Cary Grant is the same personality. He was there for breakfast, for lunch and for dinner, but he eked out a career for himself and made a mark. I felt I should try some changes because there are other people making similar experiments elsewhere. Of course, it's a risk. और एक दफ़े एक पैटर्न में अगर आप बैठ गए, मोल्ड आपका हो गया, तो इन एवरी फिल्म दे वांट यू टू डू द सेम थिंग. Poor Amit got caught in it by the angry man image. So it's a tricky business. You may get away with it or you may not.
तो आपने जानबूझ के वो इमेज से हटने की कोशिश की है? I mean, in any image.
काम दिलचस्प हो इसके लिए हटने की कोशिश की, वरना वही उसी के मोल्ड में वही मैट्रिक्स, वही अदा, वही साउंड ट्रैक, तो उसको ज़रा अलग करने से इंसान को काम करने में मालूम होता है कि हाँ मैं कुछ दूसरी चीज़ कर रहा हूँ, किसी दूसरे फिल्म में काम कर रहा हूँ. इट इज़ नॉट इन एफर्ट कि हम लोगों पर कुछ एक अय्यारी करके कोई दूसरा असर जमाएं or to create an impact, but it's just to be able to enjoy the fun and also see to it that people don't get bored with you and with your style. लोग तंग आ जाते हैं and then they start anticipating you. कि अब ये इसमें ऐसा करेगा, उसने ये अदा करनी है, उसने ये करना है. And I think that's detracts, that it takes away from the quality. So if you keep them guessing, तो पता नहीं इसमें क्या करेगा. तो वो एक उनको एक शौक और तजस्सुस, क्यूरियोसिटी उनकी वो कायम रहती है.
Maybe that's your secret, isn't it?
Well, I don't know, but maybe that's a part of the strategy, not a secret. Thank you very
कुछ मैसेज या कुछ शेर अर्ज कर जाइए प्लीज दर्शकों के लिए.
क्या कहें शेर. बहुत उम्दा शेर है लेकिन बहुत गाढ़ी उर्दू है वो.
Your favorite song otherwise, which you can
नहीं,
just hum.
इस वक्त मूड नहीं आ रहा. इस वक्त मूड नहीं आ रहा. हाँ.
Okay, any message to the fans? I mean, to your viewers. Any message?
My love to all your viewers who are sitting in behind that black little eye over there, and my greetings to them, my best wishes, and thanks.